Hello Invigilator, my name is Jasprit Koratwa, student ID 300097884, and I'm a student of Ballarat University, which is now known as Federation Square, and I'm going to talk about telecommunicating, which is one of the topic of ITEC 62077 IT Contemporary Challenges. I'm going to talk about telecommunicating. What is telecommunicating? First of all, telecommunicating is the ability to work remotely with the aid of portable computers, high-speed telecommunication links, and mobile pocket devices has become increasingly prevalent in the modern business environment. Private and public organizations are adopting telecommunication for a variety of reasons, including global competitions, increased productivity as a requirement tool, and expanded workforce staffing, flexibility, business continuity if disaster hits, and environmental standards and facility costs. This alternative workplace strategy ensures that the increased cost savings, more efficient use of space, and higher level of work productivity offers a profound opportunity to benefit both the employees and company. Yet, a successful telecommunicating program requires the combination of motivated managers, a motivated employee, and a well-defined task. Now, I'm going to talk about different type of telecommunicating. There is four types of different type communicating. First of them, work at home, the most popular method in which the employer designated workspace at home to conduct business functions. The second is satellite office, remote office location usually placed near a large concentrations of employees residence, which allows employee at a single company to share a common office space or reduce the time and expenses of the commute to and from the main office facility. The other one is a neighborhood work center, provides workspace for employees for different companies in one location. Each company housing employees at such a location is usually responsible for the administrative and the technical requirement of its employees. The last one is mobile teleworking, the newest form of telecommunicating. The telecomputers office may be an airport, a hotel, or a car. These mobile telecommuters are constantly on the road and use technology to link to the office. Now I'm going to talk about the benefits of telecommunicating. Telecommunicating benefits both the company and employee in many ways. The most frequently mentions advantage of telecommunicating includes greater productivity, improved information turnaround, better communication, reduced office space requirements, greater staffing, flexibility, lower employee turnover, and an expandable dead employees market. Teleworking benefits a company by enabling employees to continue working when faced with disaster-related interruptions. Telecommunicating provides opportunities for new partners, parents, physically challenged individuals, the elderly people living in remote locations, and individuals taking care of household persons to join or remain in the workforce. Telecommunicating is seen as a potential means of employing and retaining valuable employees by helping them balance work and home demands as well as reducing commuting cost and time. The major advantages of telecommunicating are the reduced time and expenses of commuting and the increased flexibility of working hours. Telecommunicating is becoming a viable work alternative for many and can attract more individuals into the workforce and retain them. At the end, I can say that the telecommunicating is playing a vital role in everyone's life, which is helping to manage a daily personal life and professional life. This is the end of my presentation, and thank you.